Hello everyone, we're gonna show you how to make gluten-free cheesecake. Very simple ingredients. We need 2 cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, whole milk ricotta cheese 15 ounces, 1 stick of butter and 8 eggs. Okay, we have to separate egg yolk from egg white in 2 separate bowls. Then we have to add 2 cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar and 1 ricotta cheese and 1 stick of butter with the egg yolks and mix it. We're gonna mix sugar and egg yolks together for 1 minute until the ingredients combine. Next, we're adding our butter, 1 stick of butter. I cut it up so it's easier. We're gonna mix it until you cannot see it. Be on high. So this is the consistency we want to have. Okay, next step, we are adding cream cheese, 2 packs of cream cheese. I cut it up so it's easier. And we're going to mix it. The next step, we're going to add ricotta cheese. And this is the consistency we want to have before we add the ricotta cheese. We are adding the 15 ounces of ricotta. And then we're going to mix it again until all the ingredients blend together. Mixing this on high for another 30 seconds, about 2-3 minutes of mixing all together until all the ingredients become nice and smooth. Just like that. Okay, now the final step, we have to mix our egg whites for about a few minutes until they are nice and stiff. Now this is pretty good, it's all nice and stiff, it doesn't move. So the next step is we're going to combine the egg whites with our other mixture of cheeses and egg yolks using a nice spatula. Here we go. See how fluffy, nice and stiff. Make sure we get it all. And just slowly mix it together. We don't want to use a mixer, just a spatula. This is what it's going to give us the fluffiness. Okay, I'm using a rectangle pan that it's 13 by 9 by 2 inches high, and I lined it with a little bit of parchment paper so it's easier to take it out. And now I'm gonna take our cheesecake mixture and pour it inside the pan. Make sure you get everything out. Sure that it's even. Okay, now the mixture is done. It's in our pan. It's ready to put in the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes. Cheesecake is ready.
Wow, looks fantastic. Oh, wow.
And now we can cut delicious piece of cheesecake, fluffy. Voila.
Yeah. It can be served with the raspberries.
Yes.
Or blueberries.
Raspberries, raspberry sauce, blueberries, strawberries on top,
Chocolate sauce.
Nutella.
Wow.
Delicious.